Good afternoon, everyone. My topic in EML is with PowerTech. Introduction. What is EML? EML, according to me, it is a different perspective of learning because it has a better understanding. It doesn't require us to memorize the concepts, visual identification of working nature, and getting to know what the reality is. History of the company. The year of establishment is 1994. Form of organization is sole proprietorship. Nature of business, manufacturing and sale. Products sold here are HDPE pipes, that is high density polyethylene pipes. Number of branches, they don't have any branches. Production capacity is 50 kg per hour. Importance is they are ISO certified. Yearly turnover is 40 to 50 lakhs per year. Departments in the organization: administration department, finance department, HR, quality control and production unit. Administration department, their main works are raising purchasing orders, register maintenance, directing the laborers to different works, general office duties and maintaining the staff calendar. Next one is quality control. The main works of quality control are maintaining proper hygiene conditions inside the lab as well as outside, then stock and instrument monitoring, testing the samples and maintaining the perfect standard conditions as per their requirements for the ISO certification. Next one is production unit. The works of the production unit are manufacturing of the pipes, first level of screening, weighing and then packaging. Next, about their organizational structure. The organization consists of the managing director at its head, and then followed by the manager, then the assistant manager, then the operators who are working on shift basis. The total number of workers are 15. The picture now seeing is explaining the production process. First one is the raw material, that is those are plastic pellets. They are driven into the chamber, that is the chopper, through a conveyor belt, and then the yellow color plastic material, it is inserted into the pipes, and then the pipes are heated, followed by melting of the pipes, and then it is ISO certified, and then they are rolled, followed by packaging and then weighing, and then they are delivered to the customers. Now you can view the video of the production process. Next topic is raw materials. The raw material is imported petroleum product, that is LDPE. The color of the raw material is white in color. LDPE materials are chosen because they have high durability. Then the raw materials are obtained either from the nearby industries or they can be imported. Next topic is final products. The final products, that is the finished goods, they are weighed and then tied in a plastic pipe as you have seen in the video. Then they are insulated in a thin polythene wrapper. Before packaging the pipes, they are tested if there is any leakages, and then they are settled. The final package is then transferred to the required places. The varieties are inlet letter and plain letter. Sizes are 16 mm and 20 mm. Next one is managerial aspects. The manager, he has the complete supervision over the manufacturing process as well as quality control. So views about the employability skill. Next one is marketing. Their uniqueness is they are very few among the ISO certified companies in locality. Then their competitors are main competitor is Fintech Limited. Customers mostly through wholesale buying, they buying for retailers. Then the pricing, it is taken care by the managing director. Of the 60 mm pipe cost 7 per meter. Then 20 mm pipe cost 8.5 per meter. One rolls 15 to 20 kg, that is 25 to 30 meters. This differs than the roll. Next one is uses of the pipes. They are used for irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and also for other agricultural purposes, especially for irrigation purposes. Next one is record maintenance. They are maintaining the records on a yearly basis. The records maintained are entry registers, stock registers, etc. Then salary varies from 25,000 for the manager to 8,000 to the operators as far as we inquired them. Then employees, they are provided with festive bonus, etc. They are also given motivational speeches, and training sessions are also conducted for them. Coming to the SWOT analysis, their strength is they are ISO certified. and their quality is one of their major strengths. Their weakness is seasonal shifts and low demands in certain seasons. Then on their opportunity is less competitors, so they can excel well. Then their threats is labor availability. Mostly they face a shortage of laborers in that locality. Coming to conclusion part, EML as a whole has helped us in gaining practical experience to know about the organizational behavior of the particular company that I have visited, then a clear picture of what an organization could be, to know various kinds of people there, to understand the whole process of pipe production. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.